welcome to class. Today we're going to do an experiment with orange water and blue water. Please observe while I do the experiment.
Whoa.
Penalty?
You got two different colors.
Okay, good. So the yellow water or orange water was on top of blue water,
Yeah,
right? So why is that?
because it was lighter.
The yellow water was lighter.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, so we're going to do it the opposite way. Watch what happens.
We got green
Whoa,
water.
they're mixed up.
Good. So why did they mix?
Because
the heavier water was on the top, and it.
wanted to go down because it's heavier, and the yellow water is lighter, and it wanted to rise up.
Okay? Good. Now let's draw what we saw. I'm going to draw 2 cups. And 2 straws. Okay. And in 1 cup, we're going to draw, we're going to use a red marker. But this is going to represent the orange water. How do we know it's orange?
Because we. Says it right there.
Okay. And in this cup, we're going to label it, or we're going to put blue water in it. And the label. Okay. Now, when we took the orange water, that's what we did first. We took orange first, dipped it in the blue
Mm-hmm.
second, right?
Right.
That caused them to
Separate with the orange on top and the blue on the bottom.
fit. So then when we took blue and dipped it in the orange, what happened?
They mixed together.
Good.
Yeah, it made green water in the straw.
So, yes, so it made green water, so we're gonna
Mixed.
and then here blue sunk and orange
But
stayed on top.
why? Because they're both water, right?
Yeah, they're both water, but I do have a hint for you. One is salt water and one is fresh.
Ooh.
So what makes the difference?
Salt water's heavier than regular water.
Yeah, because it's got salt in it.
Good. So therefore the blue water was heavier than the orange water. And that's why when we took orange first and then took the blue, they separated, right?
Right.
Right.
Good. So what is the word that we use for things that are heavier like that?
Density?
Good job. Density. Do we have any real world examples of density?
Well, like when they had that big oil spill in the Gulf, the oil floated on top of the water. So I guess
Good.
the water was more dense than the oil.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Oil on water. Water is more dense.
Ice cubes and sweet tea.
Good. Or ice cubes in any drink,
Just sweet tea.
for that matter. In liquid. Because why do ice cubes float? Because if they are in water, they're gonna float, and they're the same thing.
But it has air in it, air bubbles in it, so it's less dense.
Yeah. Good. Are there any other examples?
Well, when you throw a rock in water, it sinks.
Okay. Water. And the rock is more dense than
Right.
the water, right?
Totally.
Okay, good. So, are there any questions that y'all have for me about density and about this experiment?
So the blue water was the salt water, right?
Yes.
So that's why when it was on top, it wanted to sink because it was more dense,
Yes.
right? Cool.
And then this was fresh water. Less dense. Okay,
Got it.
got it?
Yep.
All right, good job, guys.